guys, it's Alex here, and it's Andrew again, and we are chasing the storm. We're calling ourselves the minor storm chasers. At first, I swore that it was spinning, but guessing that it wasn't. Ah, crap! My fingers are in the way.
Hey guys, I'm perfectly normal.
Oh jeez!
And he almost ran into me.
Alright, well, oh crap.
Okay. It's coming towards us.
It was coming towards us, so we were at the park. We were throwing in rocks just to pester the fish, and then we started heading back home. We saw the storm coming, and then I jumped off my skateboard. Oh jeez.
The wind is actually pushing me backwards.
Same here.
Oh my god.
That's what it was doing with me before. Whenever I hopped off my skateboard. Whew.
Do you guys see the
horrible.
eye of the storm?
Eye of the storm is all the way out there somewhere. Oh jeez. Oh no. Crap.
It's pushing me. If you can see the water.
You can see the water. It's pretty dangerous. Oh crap. I'm almost good. And then Andrew.
Okay.
Alright, we're here in Thunder now. It's over there.
And there seems to be like
Almost swear that it's
basically nothing now. I mean, right above
nothing
us
now.
is the sun.
Right above us, the sun. Over there, darkness. Over there,
Those
some.
clouds are actually pretty low. I mean, those dark ones.
Yeah, those are slow clouds. At first, we thought that there was a tornado, but then it's not green. So, yeah, we're actually filming this in our neighborhood.
This is our pond.
This is our pond. Oh boy.
Southwest of our playground.
Oh boy. Sorry if the only thing that you hear is it's just wind because it's really windy.
Oh yeah, you probably won't be able to hear us because of the wind.
Yeah, that's what I've been talking about. Yeah.
So, you don't know if we've seen lightning yet.
It's probably cloud to cloud lightning, not cloud to ground lightning.
All of the storm is like over there. Oh crap, oh crap.
It's some strong wind, I'm telling you.
Okay, we're gonna move towards where it is moving.
Alright, come on, Andrew. We're storm chasers. We gotta move. This way. We're going this way. It's pretty dangerous. But, oh God. Be careful of the I have to be careful of the trees right now. They could fall over at any time. Oh God, I almost fell over. I'm staying in the shade of I'm staying in between the trees because, like, in here, because I'm protected from the wind. Pretty dangerous. Alright, so, it's this way. Oh crap. To get a good look at this.
And our forecast for today is cloudy with a chance of 9. I think I see there's a sign.
Yeah, so right now the forecast for us is rainy with a chance of thunders and signs. It's not bad that way, it's really bad this way. And Andrew, I can almost swear that it's spinning too. Not focusing. Focus! I said focus! Okay, good. Now that you can see better. Oh God, I'm going. Alright, sorry if it's really blurry, but I'm having to run. Straight headwind, straight into the headwind.
Pocket cloud right there.
There's a little pocket cloud.
And it's moving pretty fast.
It's moving. There's some really low-hanging clouds.
And you can probably hear that thunder as well.
No, it's on my mom.
And we're
Ooh.
gonna start heading back soon.
Yeah, we're gonna have to start heading back because this is getting pretty dangerous out here.
And it's starting to rain.
Yeah.
Or at least it feels like it.
Yeah.
Just these more signs hitting, but
Auto. Okay.
see another pocket of clouds. Just a group of
group of clouds, lazily, and then, oh my God, there's just a little pocket of sun up there. But other than that, we are literally in the middle of it.
Oh God, the trees are literally bending.
Yeah, last time we had a storm that was like 3 times as powerful.
I think that's a cat.
Where?
Over there.
Our last time we had a storm.
Maybe that's just some leaves that fell.
Yeah. Last time that we had a storm, it was like 5 times more powerful than this. It flooded roads, knocked trees down.
And
It was amazing, but then it was scary at the same
it
time.
seems to me that the clouds are, the dark clouds are gone. I'm gonna check around this corner.
Alright. Let's go up with him. Alright. This is the cameraman, who is also a who is also a storm chaser. Then we've got Andrew, the storm chaser. I'm the cameraman for this. Ooh. As you can see,